Hi, this 1-minute video shows how to get code running on a Pi Pico or similar board. You need a micro USB cable or a cable that suits your particular board. Firstly, hold down the only button present on the Pi Pico, which happens to be labelled boot cell, short for boot select. While it is held down, insert the USB cable into the PC. Wait a second or two for the PC to detect it, and then you can release the button. On your PC, you'll see a new drive letter appear. You'll know it is a correct one because it will have a name like RPI-RP2, and it will contain a couple of files, including info_uf2.txt. Now, all that needs to be done is to drag and drop the target file onto the drive letter. For instance, here you can see I've got several binary files, including MicroPython and CircuitPython releases, and any other code that has been built. All have a .uf2 suffix. Pick the required file and drag and drop it over the drive letter. That's it. You can watch the progress bar, and after a few seconds the file should be transferred. The code is now immediately running on the Pi Pico, and it's permanently there, at least until the next time you decide to repeat the steps shown in this video. Thanks for watching.